Hi, it's Ronnie, and welcome to my channel and the Mixed Media Frenzy. This is the layout we will be scrap lifting and using for inspiration today. And I am going to use more of a monochromatic almost. See my granddaughter's shirt there? It's like from a green to a teal, gets darker and darker, an ombre kind of look, and I'm going to go for it. And I'm going to use these paints that I've had forever, and they have a shimmer to them. And yeah, they're soft pastel, and then they have a shimmer. If you can see it, I don't know if you'll be able to see it in the video or not, but it's really a pretty paint. And I started out with darker and getting towards the green and almost a yellow here. And then I'm going to go back over it and add a little more color here and there. But yeah, that's all I'm going to do for the background instead of having all those bright colors. They just didn't go with my picture. And this picture, I bought them Pop Rocks, and I didn't know if they'd ever had Pop Rocks, but they hadn't, which was fun that they hadn't had them. And yeah, they would put them in their mouth. That is something I do not like. I do not like what they do in your mouth. And I am going to put, yeah, right there. I'm going to put fireworks in here because that's what it felt like in my mouth. I don't know about her mouth or not, but that's what it felt like in my mouth. All these little fireworks going off. And the one time's all I ever tried them. Not that day. It was a different day, many years before then, when my kids were little. But I happened to see them in the store, and I thought, oh, I'm going to have the kids this weekend. I don't normally get them candy, but I'm going to buy them some of these Pop Rocks. I'd never heard them mention them, so I didn't think they'd tried them. And so, yeah, it was fun. And they really had a good time. There was 3 of them here. But anyway, she had opened her mouth. I said, you got fireworks going off in your mouth? And she opened her mouth. And of course, she couldn't answer me with her mouth wide open, but I snapped her picture anyway. But there is layering on the original sketch layout, and so I am going to do some layering. There is a circle right about where I'm going to put this circle, and this one has I think I put ink on it at one time or another, but I didn't put it on the whole thing. I just kind of inked it here and there. So the whiter parts is down at the bottom, and then the darker parts are at the top. And then that die cut that I put with the geometric shapes, yeah, that one, I've had it cut for a good while. So they don't actually match because, they were leftovers from different times. But yeah, I'm almost out of them. I have got to find that die. It is here somewhere. I figure I put it in whatever collection I was working with. It's probably in an iris container somewhere. And then if I ever use that iris container again and whatever's in it, I will find it. But I put my fireworks in your mouth. I think that's what it says. Let me look. Yeah. Fireworks in your mouth in the glitter, gold glitter, because, it being fireworks. And then I put Pop Rocks beneath it because it's kind of hard to tell when you look at that little spot in her mouth that it was Pop Rocks. It looked like maybe she's only putting one at a time in there. And then there's other summer things that's on that sticker sheet. And so I'm putting eat cotton candy, go on a bike ride, go to a parade, and on a carnival ride. But I thought I'd put different things and make it like the 4th of July, sort of, kind of, just not the same colors. Because, like I said, I was going with the colors that's on her shirt. And, yeah, I wanted to make it fun because the original, but of course I needed it to go with my photo. So I'm adding the glitter instead of the bright colors, and the fireworks instead of the bright colors. And yeah, Um, let's see. I, okay, I am putting the Heidi Swap Color Shine on, and before it's dry, I was very careful though. I thought, oh, I forgot I was going to put some gold thread under this firework here. So yeah, that looks like a firework starburst kind of sort of thing. And so yeah, I put that under there, but I was very careful. And then I remembered that I had some glitter um, enamel dots. So I thought, well, those will look cute up there in my fireworks. And of course, I don't have like a whole set of them. I've just got a few. So yeah, I put what I had up there in that. I had one left and I was saving it for the little firework thing down at the bottom. But I put enamel dots in 3 different places. And there's my yellow one, and the the fun's going to be over there on the left, and it's got a yellow, so I wanted yellow in a couple of places. And of course I have yellow in the background and yellow on that piece of paper behind her picture, so I wanted to make sure I introduced a little more yellow in here. But yeah, that's it. That's my layout, my mixed media frenzy. And there's fireworks in your mouth, pop rocks, eating cotton candy. If you look down there below, you will see the links to all the other gals that's doing Mixed Media Frenzy today. And they're all going to be using the same sketch that I'm using. And you will see their take on it. And I just love to check everybody's out and see how they did the same layout or sketch that I did and what they did with it. Of course, I knew mine was going to be a little different today when I picked this picture out. But you know, when you look at a picture and it inspires you to do a layout, you grab it, you pick it up, and you do the layout. But thank y'all so much for watching. And if you leave a comment below, I'll get back with you. And if you like the video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. And those of you who already are, thank you so much. But have a happy, scrappy week. Take care and stay safe. Bye.